welcome back to another video. Today we're back in the Hellcat, you know how we do it, going back to back to back. The reason why I don't connect this thing, bro, is for this thing to turn on, dude. This thing literally drains my battery. I don't know what's up with that, but it drains my battery every freaking time. So that's why you never see me have it on, because it's like just completely drains my battery. But anyways, hope you guys been doing good, man. Hope you guys are grinding out. Like I said, boys, you want to get to your dreams, bro, you gotta work harder than everybody else, man. Nothing comes freaking easy. And that's what makes it more worth it, bro. That's what makes it more worth it, in my opinion. Since it's so hard for everyone to get it, that's when you know it's like worth it. That's why that's why you don't see anyone freaking Hellcats, bro. I never see Hellcats out and about, let alone M5s too, bro. And I got both of them, and I worked for it, so I'll say it proudly. I worked for that. I need to get oil change ASAP on both my cars. I try to send it every video, guys, because when you don't send it, these cars are like whatever, bro. These cars are meant to be freaking raped. Like, they're already detuned from stock, bro. Like, these cars are meant to be pushed. Gosh. Woo! My gosh, dude, this thing does not get... Dude, it's just the scariest car I've been in, honestly. Lambos are cool and stuff, but bro, something about this. Oh. Oh my. The way he shifts, dude, just come on, dude, you can't... For the price of this car, bro, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, forget about Supercars, bro. You're gonna pay so much more money for insurance. Like, the amount of money you're gonna pay for insurance is how much it costs me to freaking finance my M5. Think about that. That's freaking crazy. That's why I'm like not in a rush to get a freaking like Lambo. Like, obviously I would want one, but bro, I gotta be making like, it's gotta be for the business in some way. So I gotta like come up with like some kind of turbo design I can make and put it on it to make it worth it. But other than that, I don't, dude, to get to that level is crazy. It's freaking hard. Like, even if you have a business, it's freaking hard. Tires are kind of gripping still. I got like Indy 500s, which are like Firestone tires, and they grip pretty well, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I'm in sport mode too. Sport mode does not grip at all, bro. It does not like to grip. Put my chiller on, bro. I have a Redeye, might as well use it, right? Gotta put a chiller mode on. So I hope you guys been enjoying this video, man. Hope you guys have been enjoying my other videos. Like I said, we keep doing the same thing over and over, but just trying to show you guys consistency, bro. Like, even if it's, I mean, that's basic what I'm doing, even as simple as just freaking driving around. I try to find something where I know I can do it for a long time and not get burned. That's why I do this. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh nah. Bro. Nah, dude, the price of this car is so worth it, man. Like, if you guys are gonna waste your money on anything, definitely Supercar is not the way, bro. Like I said, bro, money on insurance is just one expense. There's freaking maintenance, bro, that's like up the booty cheeks for some reason because it's a supercar, which I think is just unfair. Oh my gosh! The way it just claps, bro, the way it just claps is freaking unreal. But like, I work on literally Lamborghini of machinery, and we don't charge. We charge less than dealerships, bro. Dealerships got a messed up system right now, in my opinion. Like they just charge way too much for no reason. Like, I don't care if it's a freaking Lambo, bro. It's just be fair. Pay by the hour, charge by the hour, not charge $500 by the hour. Oh my. Pops are nasty. Dude, I love the stock tune, honestly. They did a good job. Good freaking job with it. Woo! Woo! Dude, slipping at this speed is sketch, bro. Boys, once you buy this car, M5 is cool. Hellcat I think is more exotic, so I would definitely rather have a Hellcat or like a cams Corvette, like a C6 cams, bro, with like a supercharger on top of it. Oh my gosh, I love the way it, dude. I honestly someday want to get a CT5, to be real with you guys. Posted up like that, it was so weird. I can even do a little canyon run over here. There's like nice little canyons over here. Low key? Nah, it's too much of a drive. No reason. Oh yeah. Hope you guys been enjoying the videos, man. Like I said, bro, what I love about these cars is that nobody freaking has them. Like, I rarely see wide body Hellcats, bro, let alone red eyes. And then M5s, bro, shoot, bro, that's hella rare too. And there's like freaking a million Armenians that live here, bro, and like most people just have G-Wagons now. Like, I barely see freaking M5s. Like, I know in my city I'm like legit one of the only M5s that exists here. And that's why I got one, bro. I'm not trying to be like everybody else. But once I get a Lamski, bro, that's it, bro. I'm gonna be making POVs like twice a week, just vibing, talking. it's not too bright, bro. The lighting's kind of beaming right now. Look. Oh my. Gosh, dude, after putting the aftermarket intake on this thing, bro, it's a whole different beast. Like, for real, it's a whole different beast. Oh, it's a cop right there, bro. Cop right there. No. That was my valves because there was a freaking cop there. So I'm gonna do some pulls with my valves. Woo! Oh yeah. Sounds so different when it's closed. It's like so much. It's weird. It's honestly hella scary when it's that loud, bro. It's kind of too much attention. You know what I mean? Dude, I love this thing, bro. I love these valves. Since they're actually titanium, they're not gonna blow out. And this guy is just okay. We're good. We're good. It just feels like I'm not even driving a Hellcat anymore, bro. Dude, yeah, this thing needs to be. I definitely have like a. Honestly, having just a what was it? The mid diffuser. Having the mid mufflers deleted is all you need on this car, bro. People are just sending it today. Yeah, no, I gotta open up the valves, bro. I gotta open these up. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Definitely, bro, the past 2 years have flew by, and I feel like making YouTube videos helps a little bit because every time I upload, bro, 7 days go by like it's nothing. Like, it feels like I literally just filmed like 2 days ago. And it's like, I don't know, like, the stuff I do at work are so hard, but I just can't believe I actually got used to it. Like, the jobs I've been working on, dude, is so expensive. Like, I was working on a spindle that's worth $50,000, bro. And if I break it, bro, I'm negative 50K now. It's just crazy how, like, time flies so fast, bro. And I've done so many hard, risky jobs, and that's already passed. It's like, dude, you just gotta just take risk and just full send, bro. Time goes on. It's like, feels like I haven't even done it yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Way too loud. Way too loud, bro. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro, anytime there's a motorcycle cop, bro, I am not opening my valves no more. That is... Dude, that's freaky, bro. What? It's a Sunday, bro. These guys are never out on a Sunday. It's freaking scary, bro. Just because, like, bro, those motorcycle guys are just wild, bro. They do not have mercy. Ever. And they go fast, bro. Like, if they can hear me from a mile away, bro. Because I have homies that literally live on the other side of the mountain calling me, like, hey, bro, was that you gassing it? Like, that's how freaking loud this thing is, bro. This is kind of crazy. I just can't believe none of them are even looking at me. gosh. But I hope all you guys been hustling, man. Soon, I'm gonna be working with the manufacturer, so I'm gonna be teaming up with the manufacturer. I'm hyped for that. You know, that's gonna bring a hell of opportunity for not only me, but everyone that works for me. So we're just gonna keep killing it, bro. Give everyone the opportunity. If you're willing to listen, willing to learn, hey, I'll hire anyone that's willing to learn, willing to work hard, and not complain. That's it. But guess what? That's hard to find. So, you know, it's like, you know, it is what it is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. And if you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.